The relation between note and notebook is very similar to that of note and user. It's a many-to-one relationship. A notebook has many notes and a note belongs to one notebook. So first, let's define the has many relationship in the notebook model. Public function notes. This will be plural because a notebook can have many notes. So return this has many note. Okay, you might have to import the note class, app models note. Yes, close this. Right, now let's define the inverse relationship in the note model, which would be public function notebook. This is singular because it's a single notebook, and you can copy this, return this belongs to notebook class. Okay, you might have to import if it's not imported. Great. Now go to the browser, and here we have already added this note into the travel notebook. Let's save it once again. So what we need is we need to display the notebook name here right at the top. So let's open the show view of notes, and right here after the success message, let's add a span tag. And here, these classes are not really important, but let me just add them. px2, py1, some padding, an indigo border, so that would be border, indigo 400 or something, and then a very light indigo background, bg indigo 100, then rounded corners, let the font be semi-bold, and text sm. So this here, the value, we can get it from the relationship now. We have the note model, so this is the show view of the note model, and now we can get the notebook that it belongs to, just like we are accessing a property, notebook. Now that we have the notebook model, we can simply chain it with name. So this notebook belongs to the note, and the notebook's name is what we want to display here. Let's see what we've got. Refresh. Great, it shows the notebook name exactly like we wanted. This completes the solution.